All right, so the first problems I'd like to talk about here are problems 46 through 50, and they all involve in some way getting an equation that you have into slope-intercept form, and then possibly pulling some information off of that form. So 46 and 47 ask you to get each equation into slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m and b are just numbers. Now, the m gives you the slope, and the b gives you the y-intercept. Now, if you already are, like you have an equation and you're trying to write it in slope-intercept form, the idea is that you want to get all the y's together and everything else on the other side. So what I'm going to do is take this equation, I'm going to move all the y stuff to the same side, and all the stuff that's not y to the other side. Now that the y is by itself, we also have to get it absolutely by itself. So you have to get rid of the number that's next to it. So if I wanted to get rid of the -4 next to the y, I'd divide both sides by -4. So that would give me y there. And then that's 1x divided by -4, so that's -1/4 x, and then -9/4. And this is slope-intercept form. So the slope of this line would be -1/4, and the y-intercept would be -9/4. Ooh, this is y-intercept. Now, anytime you have an equation you want to get into slope-intercept form, get the y by itself and then write it with the x first and the number second. So like we did here, the x stuff first, the number by itself second. All right, so number 50 gives you an equation of a line and asks you to find the slope and the y-intercept of it. Well, the easiest way to do that is to take that equation and get it into slope-intercept form. So we're going to move anything that's not a y to the other side. And then we want the y by itself, so we're going to divide everything by that number. -3/6 is -1/2, and there's an x there. And then 12 divided by 6 is 2. So now this is in that slope-intercept form. So the number that's next to x is the slope, and the number that's by itself is the y-intercept. Hope that helps.